Alright guys, set up on the Clausing 8520 mill, and I'm going to mill the flats on my new T-nuts. So, I got it set up in the vise. I'm going to touch off. I got to mill it 114 thou, 114. So, let's touch off, zero out, and motor on. Too fast. Let's try it there. Look at my oil can. This is not just an oil can, it's a chip deflector. Okay? Alright, touch off. Center it up maybe. Lock my quill, or spindle, quill. Touching off, come on. There you go. Maybe I took a thou there, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to set it at a thou. So, let's go 40, or is it 50? 10, 20, 30. What right in my mouth? Ten, 20, 30, 50, 60. Okay. 70, 80, 90. $90, 100, 110. I mean, there's 114 right there. 114. All right. So that's what that is. I guess I could do the other one. Kind of worked out good. Oh, my crank doesn't hit my tripod. It might. You guys might get bunked. Might get bunked. Oh yeah. Hopefully. Yeah, it's gonna hit the tripod. Maybe. Yeah, it's gonna hit the tripod. It's no fun at all. I'm gonna bring you guys over here. Like going around. Spooky dook dook dook. How about we do this? You know? Sure, why not, Doozer? Alright. Alright, we gotta turn on and touch off. Let's see how close we are. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna set that at like 1,000. About the same. Alright. Let's do a little 10, 20, 30, and I know I'm cutting. $40, $50, $60. $70, $80, $90. $90. Okay, so there's 100, 110. I gotta go to 114. All right, that looks like 114. All right, now I gotta put a parallel. I gotta flip them over. I gotta flip them over, put them on a parallel, and do the other side 114. But you get the idea. This mill is nice and quiet. It's a pleasure to use. Got the VFD, got the DRO. I just love using it. It's not a Bridgeport, but boy, it's a lot of the stuff I do here is it's just dandy. I know I talk this mill up a lot and I repeat myself. My wife tells me I repeat myself. I said that's what guys do. They repeat themselves. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to tear this down, flip it over, and bring you back. And like I said, this is the goal is to do that. So we're halfway there with the... Anyhow. Alright, I'm not going to show you that, but you get the idea. Doozer shop. Alright guys, got you back. Got the compound put on. Right? Oh, I know I'm in the shadow. Get that one on there. Got that one on there. Everything's looking good. Man, I am super pleased with that. Everything is just hunky-dory. I really love how this thing came out. Maybe it's better without the flashlight. You know, possibly. Anyhow, that looks super nice. Need a 9/16 wrench on that. This is basically flush with the surface. Same over there. So this thing, let's see, let me get my bearings here. If I can see the cross slide focus. Alright. That's an oil port. There's the 0. Let's see here. I've got like 3 thou of slop, which is good. This, I don't have any. I can't detect any slop. I mean, this thing's just moving 1 for 1. But this thing's super, super nice. like I said, I'm just thrilled that it's coming together as a lathe, right? It's just the mighty Hendey lathe. It does look goofy with the red crank on there. But this thing, I'm telling you guys, this thing moves like hot butter. This thing moves like just a dream. This thing too. It moves like a dream. And I got my my handles, which I really think are the bomb. Give you a side shot. Boom. Right? Here, I'll give you, well, I can't because they're engaged. But they all line up pretty well. The crossfeed, the red handle sticks out just a scotch more. But I think I like how the controls are. The start-stop switch is this thing. See? Forward, reverse. Oh, let me put this in back gear. I might like a bat handle for this. I don't know. This is not bad. A bat, like a drill and tap coming off at like a 20-degree angle. Yeah, the back gear is in the headstock, unlike a Monarch, which is on the motor. Gear out, which is neutral, and then belt. This is a machine, 1951, combination of brass tags, and the silver is steel tags. Steel tags for the war effort, brass tags before and after. So that's kind of neat. This is a steel tag for the threads. Everything's really clear, but it's just steel. It's not. I wish this was brass. You know. But other than that, these are actually aluminum tags. The AB and the ABC and the 1, 2, 3. Kind of neat. I'm sitting in my chair here. Yeah, I'm super happy with how this came out. The only thing I've left to do is the tailstock. And you guys saw I found my study on eBay there a while ago. But yeah, the top slide is looking good. Took forever to make them T-bolts out of D2. And I looked up, D2 is an air hardening steel. So if I wanted to, I could heat them up with the torch and let them cool natural, and they'd be hard. Not that they're soft by any stretch of the imagination. They're supposed to be about 100 B scale, which is like 23 on the C scale. But boy, oh boy, they sure seem to be a little bit tougher than that, a little bit harder than that. One of these days, the Pratt & Whitney, that thing's going to need my bearings put in the spindle, because that thing is just a pain. It's going to be a pain to use with the bearings being shot. But anyhow, yeah. All right, guys. This evening's work is done for now on the Hendey lathe.